Hello and welcome to our D5 Render Quick Start tutorials. The Quick Start videos will be divided into 6 lessons. This video that you are watching now is the overview lesson. In this lesson, I will introduce what is D5 Render and what topics that the following 5 lessons will be talking about. So, what is D5 Render? D5 Render is a real-time renderer based on the real-time Raytracing technology. It actually combines the advantages of both Raytracing and rasterization to get real-time interactivity and photorealistic images at the same time. You can download D5 Render at www.d5tax.com. In Lesson 2, I will show you the common workflow to visualize your design using D5 Render. Once you have your own workflow, your productivity will be greatly improved. In Lesson 3, I will teach you how to use D5 Render through a practical daylight interior design example. I will show you how to set up and tweak the daylight settings in D5 Render. Lesson 4 is all about how to use the artificial lights provided in D5 Render. And Lesson 5 is really important. In this lesson, I will introduce the PBR material system in D5 Render. We will go through the physically based material system and learn how to create common materials using D5 Render. In Lesson 6, I will show you that once you have finished tweaking one scene or one image, how to do color corrections and post-production effects right inside D5 Render, as well as how to set up the output settings for the final render. After you have finished all these 6 lessons, you will be able to get started with D5 Render and enjoy the real-time experience visualizing your own designs. So have fun, and I will see you in the next lesson.